I'm Anna Dovbach from International HIV/AIDS Alliance, and actually we fulfilled the aims to get key messages from civil society leaders and drug users leaders for International AIDS Conference. And these messages are connected with the women's drug use, with the drug usage criminalization, with the global fund perspective of the sustainability of prevention programs. And all of these messages have their reflection also in strategic planning of Eurasian Coalition for the drug users, Eurasian Network of Drug Users, which is also had here the strategic planning session. And here, after this forum, which was such a high-level listeners of the drug users, we had UNAIDS representativity on the highest regional level, and we hope that our audience for the messages, our audience for the voice, will not be only the delegations in the AIDS conference, but also people who are making decisions on the regional level. And we see that we succeed in this. They are already listening to us.